I don't know.
I don't know.
I'll try it. If I press this twice, I'm done with the event and I win it.
Huh?
If I press it twice. I'm gonna lap it, search for it, and then like get it to the right position and just press it.
I would pay you $100 if you can do that.
Randy, you don't know what you just signed up for, man.
If you can press this, you
Zercher to press.
Zercher to press.
Zercher to front rack and press.
Okay, but you have to go first. I don't want to show you guys up right now. Okay.
Hold up. All right, quiet, everybody, for 1 second. All right, it's on your time, buddy.
Here we are in the Appalachian Mountains, the oldest geological formation on the planet. Here, the drama of competition has played out across eons. What you're about to witness isn't just another strongman competition. It's a projection of our most fundamental struggle as a species. Earth, wind, water, fire, competition. In this wilderness, rules aren't written in handbooks. They're in each creature's DNA. So today, nothing is weighed or measured. No distances were checked or confirmed. Athletes will judge the integrity of their own performance. Just raw power. As you watch these athletes, know that they are tapping into the same primal instincts that have fueled the march of evolution since the dawn of time. And remember, that same competitive spirit is what drives all of our pursuits, both big and small. Welcome to Nature Walk.
Oh, it's really smooth.
That's gonna be good.
That's gonna suck.
Jump, Steven.
It's not terrible. It's
He
just,
breaks it, jump him.
It's just smooth. Or put the hands under.
I do like the way you're holding it. Probably gonna go that.
So that way I can interlock my hands.
Oh, this is where it starts?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Those will be out here.
Yeah, right. It's there. I like that. It's perfect.
Do you wanna? Look, we could lay a stick.
Stab it into the ground.
I was gonna say we can just. That's a line you can see that's not in the way.
Yeah.
But it's like there. But it's there. In hard.
Yeah. The way back seems a little bit worse than the way this way. Because you'll see the step up. I mean, if you step down early, you're gonna risk slipping down right here.
Yeah.
So on the way back, at least, riding up high, then stepping down right here.
And don't hit
Well,
the
I
tree.
mean,
if we're
Just go
gonna-
straight
given-
to the tree. I'm a little tall,
So you'll smack the tree.
finding that bit right here. You just gotta dodge.
Hey, no trail management.
No trail management.
Like, I think you've kicked enough leaves.
It wasn't in the rules, so therefore
I
we can do it. sorry. Hopefully my ass crack wasn't showing.
They're just drinking some milk. He competed at 220. Now he competes at like 175.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch y'all. This is my worst event by far.
That's it.
Yeah, okay.
The rack part's the hardest. Now, do you want to clean and press each rep? Or clean and press away?
There you go.
Yeah.
Throw a little leg into it.
Okay. We're just gonna stick to it.
No, there's
just a little leg.
dude. No, I lag. I go. I don't get it.
Where's the pop?
There's a delay.
Use the legs.
That was gross.
Spectacular, spectacular. How do you feel? You look like you out of breath.
That's worse than the carry.
Yeah, 90 seconds is a long time.
Long.
Like there were a couple times I saw your left, like where your left hand was, and I was worried. I was like, "Oh," but you got it. Especially like rep 3, I think. So I was like, "Whoa."
That side over there is clearly the heavier side.
Absolutely.
So I'd put that on your good side, and then the way it's facing now, when you flip it over, the small side has a nice crevice for your hand to sit on. So
Do I get more points if I like hold it up?
Like
A pizza tray.
pizza
Oh,
tray.
I do want
That's
to
cool.
press this, but no.
All right, on your time.
so bad. It was just like the re-cleaning it so fast. It was just, thanks so much.
It's a weird thing to do with a big object.
It is. And like, I didn't want to lap it and then like chuck it. So I felt like it was gonna take way too much time.
Fair.
Just kind of like hipped it up.
I'm gonna try it.
Cardio's garbage.
Were there any reps that you guys thought were a little suspect?
There were a couple where his feet were kind of like this, but
But he had,
with like
he had solid control.
with iffy like upper.
And what about the one where it looked like you didn't really lock it and you said, "Oh damn," to yourself? What did you think about that?
I was like, oh damn, because I didn't think I locked it out all the way. But it's just me.
upper body for sure was locked. It's just you were like here and then went there.
And then, okay,
so
yeah.
it could be
Like solid.
12 or 11, depending on.
Depending on who's judging.
We,
Well, you
I'm
what
fine
is
with-
it?
You guys.
I'm
Is it
fine with counting them. With,
Is it-
I'm good with 12. He had control over the stone.
yeah,
I thought
He was just trying to go
because
fast.
it wasn't like he was
Yeah.
in the middle blocking out and then dropped it. It was like, whoop,
And then drop. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, you had control
it
on
was
it.
like it flew.
All right, 12 reps.
Nice. I got this.
All right, let's do this.
Don't slow down. Just press and go. You got plenty of time. Press it out.
Whoop.
You got this.
You're getting about getting gassed.
One more. 90 seconds is a long time.
It is.
Let's go ahead and get to work. What do you got stuff to do? You ain't gonna beat me yet. Come on. Leg drives.
There you go. Shit.
It's live. There you go. Bro, I told you, yeah, you get gas.
Yeah.
And you were hauling ass.
Yeah.
That was good.
Then I lost my hand position. I was like, oh, where am I?
You thought there was none of us else about it. You kept your hands on the stone the entire time.
Yeah.
The moment I let go, I lost it. I was like, oh no.
See, I'm scared of doing that because I felt like press back yet.
That's why I kept dropping. I was like, I can just pick it up again. Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
I just needed a little rest.
that was a lot.
That's a lot.
What'd you guys count?
13.
13.
Nice.
There was like 2 missed ones you had. Where like you pressed it too far forward.
Yeah,
And you even said it, you're like, shit.
And then you like got it here like, wait, hold on. I was like, I don't know what that one
Yeah.
was. But it was good. You got
Yeah,
13.
13.
Nice.
Oh, you beat me by 1. Here, now you can see.
Hold it. Oh.
Pressing the mouse out. What happened?
Go land it. Get it up.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
Go. You press it.
Oh, I feel like a fat sack of shit.
Keep going. Come on.
That's what you got. 11 and an almost crushed toe.
Yeah. Ooh,
Several almost crushed
I was
toes.
scared for you.
You kept good control on all of those.
Yeah.
It was fast.
Oh, I'm so out of shape right now. The stone felt really light. I just knew that like it was gonna go to like who's got the more in the gas tank. And I was like, yeah, fuck that. I just want to hit like this number. I was just aiming for 10, to be honest with you. Double digits. So I was like, fuck that. And I'm happy it was 90 seconds because
I'll go fly.
I can breathe somewhat. So I'm happy. That's cool.
Nice.
Out of to like here-ish?
I'm not moving it at all.
Yeah, he ain't doing shit.
He said, fuck you guys. Y'all can do heavy shit.
This is awkward.
I wonder if I lift this side first.
Yeah, no, we're not lifting like that. We're not lifting like a rug, that's for sure.
Yeah, no.
Too big?
Yeah.
Heavy.
Heavy.
Yeah, give it a little tug.
Yeah, give it a little tug.
We're not cleaning that to the shoulder.
No.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm really,
No, go ahead.
really good at doing things. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'll try it. If I press this twice, I'm done with the event and I win it.
Huh?
If I press it twice.
I would pay you $100 if you can do that.
Randy, you don't know what you just signed up for, man.
If you can press this, you
Zercher to press.
Zercher to front rack and press.
Okay, but you have to go first. I don't want to show. I don't want to show you guys up right now. Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
I just have to find like the even middle spot.
Maybe I should go. I'll go somewhere where you can see me.
Yeah. I was gonna say, or even if just your audio is gonna go off with like your phone thing.
On your own time.
Come on, Randy. Come on, Randy.
Oh!
Now you know where that center is. Hey, you can do it again.
That time?
That was just as bad as it seemed. We ain't built no log cabins. Not like that.
Going into it, did you have any idea how many you were going to get, or were you aiming for anything?
I was aiming for just one. Like I've never done a Findle's finger before, so moving it to the shoulder and then progressing it up was something new. Like especially that one, like how it's curved. As soon as you start getting it, it's gonna rotate a little bit. So as soon as it does that rotate, let it rotate and then keep progressing. And then also I found kind of the middle spot to actually do the pick. So I think if I had like maybe 10, 15 more seconds, I probably could have got a second one. Whew.
Nice job, dude.
Thank you.
Hold up. All right, quiet, everybody, for 1 second.
All right, it's on your time, buddy.
Okay. Ah! It is. I can't like flip my. I couldn't flip my hands under it.
Get a shoulder. Let's go. Get the other end up.
Hey, look! I got to the right position.
Hey,
That shit sucks.
Well, honestly, good. Since he got it there, like, here, that...
Honestly, I tried pressing it, so got to the right position, couldn't flip my hands under it to get a good press on it.
That's kind of what you want to do.
Yeah, that's all I wanted to like to press it, but it's fine. It's
Honestly,
okay.
The fact you still got it to shoulder.
Yeah, I still shouldered it. So honestly, it was fun. A little off kilter though. So you got to find that perfect pivot point to get it up. But 10 out of 10.
Crazy. Crazy.
That was insane.
Good footing. Great.
Come on, Jeff.
Go, Jeff.
Oh my God. Come on. Come on, through it. There. I'm stopping. Ooh. Ow. Okay. Yeah, where Andy was right. Sucks as much as it looks like. Got a good center position, but that thing's wobbly. Whew. Ow.
Shit's in my eye. That sucked. Side of the log was like digging my neck. I was gonna rip my earring out, but it was metal as fuck. It was cool. I loved it. That shit sucked.
Yeah, it did. Sucked in the best way possible.
Yeah.
When you are, if you're going.
I don't think I'll ever be ready. Got to get good footing. Can't find the pivot point. Too high? Oh, it's there. Shit. No.
It gets the wobbling. It just like wobbles. I'm like,
Yeah.
Once you start falling, it's
Yeah,
gone.
It's going to
it
fall.
starts going.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, no.
I'm not
No.
doing that either.
Oh, that was bad.
Oh, please don't fall in.
Fuck yeah.
I got a rock.
There's a rock.
Wow, that was Jersey, Steven.
Here's a good one.
You want to compare rocks, see?
We can set them up here on the bank.
Here's my rock. There's a little grass on it. Don't mind that. It's going through a phase.
They're all pretty similar, to be fair.
There's a little light. Feel mine? I don't know.
I try to
You try the others?
Yeah, I've already.
I have a rock.
All right, so everybody agrees on these rocks?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now trade with someone else.
Wet ass rock.
All right, now that's the rock you're using.
He was like, try one more time.
Hey, Landon, you sure you don't want the other? We can trade. You guys ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it kind of sucks.
Not gonna lie, it sucks.
Come on, Randy. Come on, Randy.
My name is Jeff. I had to be Randy.
Yeah. Good job, guys.
That was fun.
Oh, I'm shaking.
Not gonna lie to y'all though. My shoulder's like, hey, what are we doing? I will pop out of place. Don't play with me.
It's like, oh, we gonna put a backpack on now? No.
It's like for
No. Think again.
the first couple seconds, like yeah.
It very quickly became like,
Hit that wall. It's just like, oh.
I hit that wall earlier. I was like, damn.
I'm not gonna lie, I was sitting there like, I was like, okay, Steven, put you down. Steven, put you down. Steven, put you down.
down.
As soon as you put you down, I was like, whoo. I looked at Jeff, Jeff's over here. I was like, ah, shit, son of a bitch.
I was waiting for you to put yours down. I was like, fuck, I can't do it.
You made me laugh, and I was like, no, nuh-uh.
Yes, I was hoping. And then he's like, oh, my shoe's flooding. I was like, yes, good
Like,
nature.
See, whenever I set my down, I was like, yeah, I could have gone for a while, and then I felt my arms like, oh.
Yeah, like, no, just playing.
My parents was like, hey.
The most uncomfortable thing in the world is wet socks, and like I could feel the bottom of my socks getting wet. I was like, this is gross. I'm done.
All right, we can do 3 more rounds. We try each rock.
No.
Hard pass?
Hard pass. One was enough for me. It was.
Maybe if you want me to poop myself.
Nice one. Awesome. Thanks, guys.